Okay, Miss Georgia 06. Here we have a 1/54 scale Thomas safety liner. It's the HDX, or people around to call them here, flat nose bus. Don't have many of these around here. We have the normal, the C2s, and then the older FS65s in Kentucky. Not a whole lot of these around that I see. Anyway, doesn't make them any less popular, but I guess in this area maybe so. You bought this off eBay a while back, and for your son, and he absolutely loves it. You questioned about having lights, ordering one with lights in it. Well, I just had you send this one back. Unless you just wanted another bus, no reason to spend the money again for the bus, so we'll charge you just for the lighting. And here we have it. It uses a 9-volt battery. The 9-volt battery is located inside. So what will need to be done to change that is remove these screws here, and here. And when you do that, you can set it on its roof like this. Just lift this bottom off, and you'll see the battery inside there. Have it encased in a little bit of foam to keep it from rattling around and stuff in shipping and just normal play or whatever. Anyway, keep it still. So there is a square cut out with some foam in it. Just replace the 9-volt battery, and there you go. Easy enough to do. The bottom does not come all the way off. Up in the front where the switches are at, there are a few wires that connect from the switches on the plate and go inside the bus. So just be sure not to yank those out. They're pretty decent wires. I mean, they won't just fall apart, but there are a few wires right there to hold everything together, or to keep the connections together. You'll also notice red and yellow stickers on each switch, and one in the center here for the headlights, taillights, and whatnot. So let's go ahead and turn those on first. You see you have the headlights, also did the inner parking lights, running lights. In there, you can't really tell it with my camera because my camera's poop. On the rear you have taillights, where most taillights go. Any of them I've ever seen anyway. Just turn this back off, hit the yellow switch, and give you $10. You can guess what happens. Yep, sure enough. You get your yellow flashers. My camera's sitting crooked. Choop. It's even more crooked. Crookeder. There we go. The yellow lights, true alternating flash on those. Nice steady pattern. Same on the back. Alright. Hit those off here. Turn the reds on. And it gives you the reds in the back flashing, and also your reds in the front. Again, true alternating. You can also hit these if you want all of them to flash at once. I don't know why one would, but hey, you can do that if you like. You also turn those off. And of course, your headlights, taillights, and running lights will also work with either of the colors, or both of them, again, if you want to. So everything's independent of each other. You can run just the headlights, head and taillights if you want, and then, like I said, of course, your other lighting as well, all independent. You know, reds by themselves, yellows, however you want to do it. So I appreciate the order. I'll get this shipped back out to you tomorrow. Appreciate letting me do this for you, and of course I appreciate the payment too. It's always helpful. Like I said, the wife already grabbed it and it's probably spent. So anyway, I appreciate it, and I'll get this mailed back out to you tomorrow, which is Monday the 15th or 16th. My life's going away. 17th. So there you have it. Thanks again.